everyone. Today we'll be learning about coordinate geometry. We've already learned this topic in our previous classes. We'll recall and recapitulate few concepts and then move ahead. So, before we go on to anything, what is coordinate geometry? It is a system where the position of points on a plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. So, if you see this definition or read this definition, you might be wondering what is an ordered pair or what is a plane. So, we start by describing what is an ordered pair. An ordered pair is a composition of the x coordinate, abscissa, and the y coordinate, ordinate having two values written in a fixed order within parentheses. So, say for example, we have a point A having coordinates 3, 2. So, 3 is the distance on the x-axis and 2 is distance on the y-axis. Moving on to what is a plane. A plane is a flat, two-dimensional surface that extends infinitely far. In coordinate geometry, the plane on which we'll be drawing the axis will be referred to as the coordinate plane. Coordinate geometry is also known as analytic geometry or Cartesian geometry. The coordinate system we commonly use is called the Cartesian system after the French mathematician René Descartes, who developed it in the 17th century. So basically in his honor, we get the name Cartesian geometry. Legend has it that Descartes, who liked to stay in bed until late, was watching a fly on the ceiling from his bed. He wondered how to best describe the fly's location and decided that one of the corners of the ceiling could be used as a reference point. Descartes' coordinate system created a link between algebra and geometry. Geometric shapes such as circles could now be described algebraically using the coordinates of the points that make up the shapes. So here we have a coordinate plane having two number lines perpendicular to each other. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. The point at which the two intersect is the origin, which is normally 0, 0. So a point's location on the plane is given by two numbers. The first tells where it is on the x-axis and the second tells where it is on the y-axis. Together, they define a single unique position on the plane. We write the ordered pair as x, y. Say the point A is 3, 2. So, here we get the point A where the distance from the y-axis is 3 and from the x-axis is 2. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate. So, here we again have the same coordinate plane with x-axis, y-axis and the origin labeled. Now, this time we have taken a point 2, 1. We always see the distance of the x-axis before than the y-axis. So, this is the x-coordinate, that is 2. If you get this arrow down, you get it to be equals to 2. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate. So this arrow is basically the y coordinate. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0 and of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0, y. So say for example you have a point 2, 0. So it will lie on the x-axis because the first point in any ordered pair is that of a point lying on the x-axis and y-axis is equals to 0. So the point will lie here. Now this is an example where we had to plot A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L and again join L to A, and we obtained such a shape after plotting the points. Don't you think it's so interesting to make such unique shapes with the help of coordinate geometry? Do you want to try one? You can try this yourself. You just need to join the points P, Q and R to form a triangle. You also have to join the points X, Y and Z to form a triangle. Now join S, T and U to form a triangle. Lastly, join S to the point 0, 5 and 0, 6 and join U to the points 9, 5 and 9, 6. Which shape did you get? So, what is the use of coordinate geometry? Here we'll see different applications of coordinate geometry. If we know the coordinates of a group of points, we can, number 1, find the distance between them, find the midpoint, slope and equation of a line segment, find if lines are parallel or perpendicular, identify the polygon made by the group of points, find the area and perimeter of a polygon enclosed by the points, define the equations of curves, circles and ellipses. In further videos, we'll be using coordinate geometry to identify the polygons made, to find the midpoint, equation, etc. So, stay tuned. Thank you.